So you guys might have faced an issue where it says there was an error connecting to the platform, please restart the game client, and the error code would be Valorant 19. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. So hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Valorant error code 19 issue. So firstly what you have to do is just simply close all the application related to Riot client, Valorant or Vanguard. So for doing that, just simply go to your task manager by right clicking on your start icon and task manager. Then go to the details panel over here and now search for anything related to Valorant, Riot client or Vanguard. You can search by the keywords like VR. So there is nothing related to Valorant or Riot or Vanguard in my task manager. So the next thing that you can do is just simply restart your system and then try to launch your Valorant. If it still doesn't work, then check do you have a stable internet connection or not. So for doing that, just simply open your browser, then search for speed test, then open speed test, then just simply check do you have a stable fast internet connection or not. So after checking the internet connection, if your speed is absolutely normal, so what you can do is just simply restart your Windows and try to relaunch the application. And lastly, what you can do is just simply search for Riot clients, then open the Riot client and check whether do you have an update for Valorant or not. Or you can just simply go to the profile icon over here and go to settings and just simply check over here as well, and then just simply try to launch the application. And if it still doesn't work, the last and the final step, that is just simply uninstall the entire Riot client and Valorant and try to reinstall, and then it should definitely work. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.